Alright, we're checking out the Cromwell today. The only luxury boutique here on the Vegas Strip. Now, by boutique, I mean it's a smaller place. There's about 200 rooms compared to like a couple thousand over at MGM. So the place does fill up pretty fast. And by luxury, I mean the decor here is definitely on the higher end. 4-star hotel? Yeah, I'd say 4-star. I mean, just look at this walkway here. Isn't that beautiful? The chandeliers. Oh, that's what she noticed. She loves the chandeliers. Yeah, the whole decor just matches. It's kind of got like a older school motif, you know what I'm saying? Like you'll see this kind of design pattern in the room, on the couch that you have here, and this, the leather. It's so nice. I like it. I like this design.
Attached to the bottom of the zone read scheme, even the running backs, though they didn't have some explosive plays, from soft fumbles. Then there's special teams, soft block field goals. So from start to finish, there was very little that went right. And it starts with quarterback position, goes to the offensive line, goes to receivers. It's almost like it's a game.
So in terms of what's in the casino, that's it, y'all. That's it. That's how small this place is. She's got her own escalators up to her restaurant. Isn't that fancy? It's like Stairway to Heaven. And you have Chiata, which is one of the best restaurants here in Vegas. This opened up a couple years ago and won a lot of awards since then. They do have this nice little eatery here. It's kind of like breakfast food, sandwiches, and bagels. It's quite tasty, actually.
It's pretty.
Yeah, to display everything, right? It's really nice the way they lay everything out. They don't just have it all in a gigantic ass bucket. It's like that. And the bagels, yeah, they actually are good bagels. I think they get them from some local source, and it's quite good. And of course, the other thing that's famous here is Dre's nightclub, which is on the roof. One of the best beach clubs here in Las Vegas.
Really nice, right? It's outdoor.
Alright y'all, today we're gonna have a room tour at the Cromwell, the only boutique hotel here on the Strip, and it is on the luxury end. And as you can see here, it is gorgeous. They did a great job with this sort of old school motif going on, with the decor. The room is a little small, but everything feels cozy because of it. All the decoration here is just, everything fits. Nothing looks like it was just kind of picked up at the local IKEA. Looks like it's all custom made. And this velvety chair that they got here. To this table stand that looks like it's an old suitcase, which is real nice. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, the first thing that caught my attention and why we booked the room is the bed. This bed looks gorgeous. I mean, this is a queen size bed here. Look how thick that is. That thing must be so soft to sit on. And that headboard, that looks pimpin'. Like you. Okay, so I guess they need to dust it down a little bit. And then over there you got the sitting area, which it feels like a leather couch. They didn't skimp there.
Oh, it's leather.
It's definitely leather. So it's cool to the touch. It feels great on the skin.
Very smooth.
It's so smooth, baby, so smooth. And I love this painting that they have here. This wall decoration, right? Old school burlesque mixed with, I don't know, Eyes Wide Shut.
It's like the Hunger Game.
Somehow she gets Hunger Games from this. What Hunger Games are you watching? Is it on Vixen Channel? Like the Playboy Channel?
No.
So this is real nice. Yeah, they got this little coffee table / backgammon board, and it rolls around. It has a little bit of storage. You know what it reminds me of, babe? It reminds me of like a magician trick box. Like you roll it around, open it up, see if there's a body inside.
Like magic.
Oh yeah, you got some storage there. It's nice. That's very cool. And that wallpaper, that purple motif they got go all across the room. That wallpaper is just gorgeous. What do you call that? I guess pastels? Paisleys? Jolly don't know pattern or designs, but when it looks like this, looks nice.
I see that on a handkerchief.
I used to have ties that were all that design, and then you threw them all the way. I guess they were popular in the 80s. And then you have this full-size mirror here, which is just fantastic. You can take a look at that right before you leave.
Not a very
Now you're seeing some purple lights throughout the room. That does not come with the room. We had to add this purple light because, so if there was a con about this room, is that it's really freaking dark. If I turn off this light here, you're gonna basically see that this place doesn't have enough lights.
You're still holding the light.
This is what it normally looks like without the lights. It's just so dark.
It's like 1, 2.
And it's because they only have like these really small spotlights, but no central light here. And I think maybe this room in particular, it's missing a light on that table stand.
But I don't think it helps really.
Now, if I film from this direction, there is a lot more light because of the window here. You can see what it looks like because of that. But at night, you don't get this window. So this room is going to be dark AF. And that definitely is a downside. So can you turn the light back on? So thankfully, we're pros at this. We got our own atmosphere that we bring with us. A little LED light. And it actually adds to the atmosphere quite a bit. Now this place does have a mini fridge. However, like a lot of places now in Las Vegas, you're going to get a little notice. And the notice says that if you remove anything, they will charge you for it. Everything is touch censored. So if you want to like sneak a drink, even if you want to replace it later, they will catch you and they will still charge you for it. So you really can't use it to store your own food or leftovers or drinks or anything like that, unfortunately.
No place for your leftovers.
I don't think most people take leftovers home in Vegas. Maybe Asian people do all the time, but on average, most people don't.
I do.
I love this velvety chair. In fact, I've already seen Lulu just eyeing this like, I want this at home.
I have one.
Storage is pretty good with this walk-in closet. It does look like it's designed for a magician to, again, do some sort of trick, body can come out of there type of thing. So yeah, enough storage for you to, if you stay here for a week, you'll be able to store stuff. I love the satin colored and coated black, just like coat hangers there. Those are nice. Yeah. Design-wise, like the whole motif, it all fits so well. And this is nice, a little thing stuck here in the corner, which I didn't realize earlier. It's a place to do your makeup. For your burlesque show later, Lulu.
I feel like you're having your own.
It's private, your own little place there.
Yeah, you have a place for your stuff here, because obviously there's